Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Vlogmas, and today I'm giving you just a quick update kind of on what Christmas activities that we are doing today. If you're new to my channel, I've been homeschooling since 2012. I have 3 children and I make videos on everything to help you on a homeschooling journey. So this Vlogmas, I've just been sharing with you what we've been doing for homeschool, what kind of books we've been reading, different family traditions and different themes every weekday to entertain you guys during this season of Christmas. And today I'm going to just share with you a couple of Christmas activities that we've done today for our homeschool day. Today was a very relaxed and laid back day. We woke up this morning and we started watching The Star. So we've been learning a lot through our Gather Around Homeschool unit, which I have a video here about the Christmas story. We've been learning a lot about the characters, and also with this 25 days of Christmas, every day you go through a different Bible character as well. So learning about the Christmas story and the characters of the Nativity. Today's Christmas movie choice from the Gather Around Homeschool was perfect, and we chose The Star over Polar Express. Look into the story from a different perspective, the perspective of the donkey in the movie. If you guys have not seen it, you can find it on demand for if you have cable, DirecTV for free. It's not on Netflix anymore. Anyway, after that, while we were watching the movie, we were discussing different questions. So there were different questions that we had to talk about, like, did you ever feel like you wanted to do something important? Different questions about the different characters. If you guys hear a buzzing sound, my husband's filling car tires outside, so I'm sorry about that. This is the room with the most lighting for me. There's just different questions about different scenes and different characters in the movie. And this is the movie discussion guide in the Gather Around Homeschool Christmas unit. So after we did that, we started to bake some Christmas ornaments from this book called Tough Cookie. So I took you inside this book in the video on the card above, along with some other Christmas favorites of mine. It's basically like the gingerbread man, except it's about a sugar cookie that tastes disgusting, and he has to find his true purpose and his true meaning. And in the back you have ornaments for recipes for cookies or ornaments. So we chose to do a Christmas ornament to hang on our tree. Now, if you saw my other vlog when we were picking out our Christmas tree, you'll see that we had to basically had to undo everything because we didn't have enough working lights. So we went and we got a whole new set of lights and new ornaments, and things are coming in through Amazon slowly. So we put up the lights today and the ornaments that we already had, but we did not, we still are waiting for some of the things that we bought to come in. One of our Christmas traditions that we like to do is to pick a different Christmas ornament that represents something in the year. If it's a movie that the kids liked, or some cartoon character that they were really into, if we moved, or we got a new pet. So the next thing that we were going to do is go to the Christmas store, which I'm going to take you guys with me now, and we're going to go find a Christmas ornament, and that's how we're going to probably end the rest of this vlog.
I'm going to get 2 ornaments because Kaylee and Aaron already have more than me, because I didn't go last week.
Come away from the door, okay? Because we didn't go last year, and because you're the youngest, and you need to catch up, don't you? Yeah. All right, sweetheart. Let's
Bye.
go. Hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the playlist, the Vlogmas playlist that I've created, and continue on every weekday in December for more videos.